Hello everyone, in this video I will introduce to you the shape option, the surface option, the surface option is allow you to draw to your desired place. What I mean by that, when you click this object, surface object, and then you draw the circle, you can draw like this really. And when you go here, is 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 follow the object, this one. But when you change to view, the surface view, your draw is following your view. For example, now I'll view like this, and then I draw circle, is follow the my view now, view. So you can see now, if we go to front view, it's like this front view. So this, the shape will follow the front view like this. When go to right view, we only can draw the shape on the right view. It's follow our view, or our view when we draw the shape to cut the object. If we go here, you see, if we shape like this, view like surface like this, and we draw the shape, it's follow this view. It's follow the view, not follow the object. See the difference? When you active the object mode and you draw, it's follow the object, not follow the view. So basically, when I very for me, I like using the object surface when I cutting the objects. So that's all for this video. So hope this video help you when you using the box cutter. So thanks for watching.